It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. Stellenbosch 1, Sundowns 1, load shedding and everything else, and rain in Johannesburg. Khanye, our analyst, your summary of the game. How did you feel about the game?
Yeah, Nkululeko, the game is anyone. As we said, there's no cheating here. Nkululeko, just to summarize the game, I'm very disappointed. Why Mamelodi Sundowns coaches sacrifice for equality? They dropping so many points. Quality, it's unacceptable. According to standard sabo setile. So very very disappointing the way ba sacrifice the quality gakhona. Kuna ma game whereby they play players that they don't deserve to play. Asicale ngale game namhlanje simple. Mudau they were playing 3-4-3. Sundowns, Mamelodi Sundowns as usual. But now up front they were not functioning. Why playing Umshishi more of a front three? Like kuba umuntu oba nomuntu 1v1 umshishi ngishilo last time is a thinker adla number 10 udlala ngorivalo kutse udlala ngwandile Charlie, you understand ngwandile Charlie is more of a box to box player uhamba ngama moments umile urivalo, and then ulo more dynamic ngikhuluma ngalomchita lo Ashim Domingos yisayena up front. It doesn't make sense ukuthi mina uyise udlalisa uDomingos la Ashim Domingo la middle and then udlalisa umshishi up front. It doesn't have a speed. He can't run behind the defense. You understand? Mbekela umshishi more as from deep obegu Domingos there. Elinye side futhi la right la kutumela. One, they couldn't combine. Ngikhuluma ngokutumela, ngikhuluma ngalomchita lo shalile, ngikhuluma ngamshishi. Omunye yes, central, more static. Ushalulile namhlanje because funela ibhola Nkululeko supply bengatholakali mali ibhola mali kulomchithu kutumela is gonna lose the ball. He can't deal, is too heavy, static enyaweni. Every time when he approach your opponent will pass straight to expect hope with the develop. It's not on the way. Kumshishi when he got the ball in your left in most Kumshishi can't cross first time. Melangene pagat inside there's traffic. Stellenbosch the most tactical in the middle, the more discipline. In the middle, Anile Charlie no Rivaldo. We're playing more of Charlie. We know that is more of ball passer. Umchita like Lentenga Vienza about Domingos Nababo. Uthemba Zwane fize yenza uJani is passing more deep like ngikhuluma ngama forward pass enamba phansi maramela support uzosupporta kanjani is more for defensive but badlala nga two defensive midfield, so attack yabo they were not dangerous. They couldn't go behind the defense Stellenbosch because of the front three bayifakile Mudau ka right wa lomfana lo tiprise ithinge kulo ku Stellenbosch badlala 43 at the back. They knew with two defenders. It's right back, left back, and two center back. In the middle, three flat midfielders. We're playing Sundowns. We're not going to allow them to have the ball. Even if they got the ball, they were not going to see us. They're not going to see our teammate behind. Now they must play sideways, which is Sundowns into the hands. Now, Babonuti Sundowns, they cannot find those people there front. You're running up front. Lompana no pretty breeze. What is doing? Basalanga 3. Most of the Sundowns, if you've got three dangerous players and then the midfield, you can beat them, simple. Or you fight for a throw. Ngoba check Stellenbosch. If Andrea we are fan and Mamelodi Sundowns when they are at the best, ngikhuluma ngoSerino, Kemite Rasmus, mhlawumbe Shalulile. Yeah, they mangabe like ngikhuluma Shalulile, Kemite Rasmus no Serino. Sundowns iba more dangerous. So now labantu labintu abenzi. There's Mendieta coming from the left. Chimba cutting inside, go right. Lomfana lo into bekayenza lo Deprez udlala in front la. More central. False number 9. Run up behind to expose the space some full back kwabo. So he confusion ile ukuthi Krenkekana when he runs it doesn't go with him. Krenkekana akahambi naye but mina Krenke is benefit patient studio Krenkekana melambe naye but Nkululeko when he move iqala la ka right ahamba lo mchita lo odlala right Mudau when he goes with the ball in case ulibusa he must drop enhle ku Krenkekana ngoba udlala ngo right drop ka right and then Charlie become a sweeper. It goes down understanding Marama Cote, they keep on playing Ukekana. Good man win and Dana a weak opponent. Sometimes I bonagali. Mudau is the weakest link with Sundowns if he's playing. Kutumela doesn't give them nothing. Honestly, we need to, in terms of creativity, udlala right la kadlala more central like kuma respect whereby bam create a vele seka shoot ipola rosa and then it's a goal. Hooray. Here you must one mela create. You must think bypass the opponent. If he's not on, ngoba badlala baba isolate kuba winger. If agna support ngoba badlala nga two defensive midfield and then they need to. So Stellenbosch plan ispanile. Uthi praise beka expose le pace ama wing back ene. I understanding between Ukraine Kekana no Libusa. Na bobo andile Charlie no Rivaldo. And Ngobuchalu is more we are support. Rivaldo was supposed to come a sweeper. And then Ukraine Kekana, if one be he's going without thinking. Traftela right, my brother.
1-1 is a fair result. Is the last question. Fair result, 1-1.
Yeah, Sundowns didn't play, they didn't deserve to win. They were playing not even fluid. Never created so many chances. Too static up front because of wrong starting 11. I don't understand kapinga ngaphandle but you playing abo Kutumela. Isapi abo Usafranco, you can't make him an impact player. Impact player that does it aganama element of surprises is not that dynamic. You put impact players, a dynamic player that is thinking, ungamfaka, yeah.
There you go. Slow shedding, it's raining, nothing much as we can do. Hopefully you can see from the video in terms of the light and the sound quality. Hopefully you enjoy the game as well. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching.